Hello, so in this video I'm going to talk about base conversion. So we are all familiar with the base 10, where we have 10 numerals, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if I write the number 1234, it's 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4, so that's 1 times 10 to the power of 3, 2 times 10 to the power of 2, 3 times 10 to the power of 1, and 4 times 10 to the power of 0. So we made a decomposition of powers of 10. But if we only had two numerals, like in base 2, where we only have 0 and 1s, then we can take any number like 1234 and still make a decomposition of powers of 2. And to do that, what we do, we take the number and we divide the number by 2. So we have 2 times 617 plus 0. That's your remainder of your division. And your remainder can only be 0 or 1, otherwise there is something wrong in your division. So then we take that 617 and we divide it by 2 again. And so that's 2 times 308 plus 1 this time. And we take that 308 and we divide it by 2 again. So that's 2 times 154 plus 0. 154 is 2 times 77 plus 0. 77 is 2 times 38 plus 1. 38 is 2 times 19 plus 0. 19 is 2 times 9 plus 1. 9 is 2 times 4 plus 1. 4 is 2 times 2 plus 0. And 2 is 2 times 1 plus 0. And 1 is 2 times 0 plus 1. And now we have our number in base 2. We just need to read the remainder from the last one to the first one. And that's how we can write 1234 in base 2. So 100110101010. So now how can we go from base 2 to base 10? Well, we know that every numeral in base 2 is a power of 2. So we just need to do the inverse operation. So that one here is 1 times 2 to the power of 5. So if you read from left to right, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 0 is 0, 2 to the power of 4. That 1 is 1, 2 to the power of 3. That 0 is 0 times 2 to the power of 2. That's 1, 2 to the power of 1. And that's 0 times 2 to the power of 0. And now we just do the operation. So we have to know our power of 2. It's easier. And here we have 32 plus 1 to the power of 3. So 8 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 1, 2. So 42. Now, what about base 16? Well, it is still the same idea, except that this time we have 16 numerals. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And of course, we're not going to write 10, 11, 12, because it's going to be confusing. We would not be able to distinguish between 1 and 1 or 11. So we write A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for 15. So if we have 10 in base 16, if you have 10 in base 10, that's A in base 16. And if you have 102,034 in base 10, and to have the number in base 16, it's the same idea. We divide the number by 16, so that's 16 times 77 plus 2. And the remainder should be a number between 0 and 15. If not, something's wrong in your division. Then 77 is 16 times 4 plus 13, so that's a D. 4 is 16 times 0 plus 4. And so if you read the remainder from the last one to the first one for D2, then that's how we can write our number in base 16. And now to go from base 16 to base 10, that's again the same idea. We know that we have decomposition of power of 16, so that's B11 16 to the power of 3, A is 10 times 16 to the power of 2, B is 11 times 16 to the power of 1, and E is 14 times 16 to the power of 0, so that's 11 times 4096 plus 10 times 256 plus 11 times 16 plus 14, and so the result is 47,816 base 10.